I will just have a coffee, like morning routine, okay?
Okay. Maybe I will just keep walking.
Alright, okay. What do you wanna have for breakfast today?
Durian.
What?
Durian. Durian.
Durian. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Durian for breakfast. Unbelievable.
Something on your mind, but I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you?
Check these guys out, they fishing on the beach.
Big girl that I know with a heart on fire. I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink.
So, Damian is in the restaurant to have a coffee, while me, I still have a walk to enjoy the sunshine. It's beautiful. It's Sunday morning, just like usual. We go to the beach, enjoy the sunshine, walking.
All about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
Let's see, where is Damian? Oh, he's there. Having a coffee. Morning coffee. Hi. Oh, how's your day? Good. Oh, I'm sweating. How's your coffee?
Oh, nice.
Great. I'm happy to hear that.
Let's go have a durian, yeah?
Alright.
All about the good vibes.
Alright, so we found the guy who is selling durians somewhere on the street, and we are looking for direction now, and we are a little bit lost.
Yeah. So.
But you will have your durian soon, sayang, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Where?
There, look at the car behind him.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah. Oh,
Our-
yay! Durian!
Our durian seller.
Okay.
Are you happy, sayang?
Yes. Okay. Let's go.
So finally we arrived to the
Yay!
durian.
So finally we are arriving here. Look, mangosteen, durian, and then this one. This one. Oh wow.
What's that?
Ubi. It's called. This is called ubi. It's called something like cassava.
Alright.
Potato cassava.
Alright. Little bit smelly.
But this is durian. Well, actually, I wanna choose one durian for my breakfast. So the guy said all of durian here just ripe from the tree, and then you can smell it. Oh my god, so good! I really love it. I know that Damian doesn't like durian, but this is heaven for me, you know. Maybe some of you, let's say some Bulays or some foreigners, for the first time they will think like, oh my god, this is a very smelly fruit. But for me, for locals, this is the best. Ini besok matang ya?
Matang sih.
Petik nih Kibli. Petik nih Kibli. So this is called Napi beli sile ya, sile. So sile, it's kind of srikaya. Yeah, silic or srikaya, small one. But if you open it, I will open it like this. It's already ripe.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it smells really good. And then he will help me later on to cut a little bit here.
Dobrze.
So he will help me to cut it. Oh, look how to cut the durian. You see? Yeah. Okay. This one. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, that's so good. Wow. Wow.
Mau dibuka lagi?
My durian. So now we will eat durian with my friend Julia. Ooh, I know that Damian doesn't like durian, but
I don't like it.
I have my durian made today. Julia will eat with me.
Be careful, saying with the knife, okay?
It's okay. Yay! This is how you eat durian.
And if somebody will asking us why we eat the durian on the outside, because we'll be smelling
The smell.
The smell like tissues, yeah. The smell like the tissues.
Come on, Julia. Let's eat.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Ja, smacznego, ja, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Smacznego.
Bagus ini.
Bagus?
Kulitnya
ya?
tebal.
Enak. Kamu mau dah?
No, I'm fine.
So now we open the next one. This is how you open it. 1, 2, 3. Just go. So we will eat the meat only. Look at the texture, like this. Oh,
Yeah.
so soft. We only eat the meat, but we don't eat the seed like this.
The seed
Yeah.
only boiling.
Yeah.
So that's big one, yeah?
Yes. Right.
Ih, kenyang ini ya, Win. Ya ampun, tebal.
So good. Tastes so good, sweet, and the meat, so delicate.